Okay, it's on.
Okay.
Okay, she's going to show me how to get on this horse.
Oh, good luck.
Alright. What? Get close to the saddle. Like,
Straight up.
straight up. Jump straight up.
Ooh. I'm 250
Close as you
pounds,
can
I'm
get
not
to the
As
horse.
close as you can get to the horse, jump straight
Yeah.
up.
You know, lean over the saddle.
Hold the saddle down or something.
Nope.
Nope.
You need a severance saw?
That might be a good idea. I think I just hurt my knee.
Step
This
stool.
is another reason I have to lose weight. Not only for me, but for the poor horse. And the name of this horse, once again, is Ginger. Well, I'm going to be gingerly on you, Ginger. That's a step ladder? Boy. Nothing like going to
Way
a...
up there.
You're a little, he's still a little far away, Dad. Look at Ginger, look at that. Get it next to the horse. Oh, sorry. Sorry, cutting off your head.
Story of my life. Hello. I've heard of cowboy in Africa. Well, here I am, Jay Arnold, the first time on a horse. And I look like I'm a cowboy in Hawaii here. Wearing this little, oops, you get that in. Like, we have this for bicycles, I can't get it. And this is Ginger. And how old is Ginger?
16.
That's, what, 110 to you and me?
No, it's just 16.
Oh, 16 human years.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, now what do I do besides stand here?
Okay.
Just tell Ginger to follow you, Cheyanne.
Okay. Clutch a little bit, like.
Can
Oh.
I see? Can I see it?
And all you
can't
have to do
see
is,
him.
when you want to go one way, just touch, like that way. If you want to go that way.
Where's Steven?
He's learning how to ride.
Go that way.
Where's Steven?
He's over there.
Wait, I don't see him.
Stay right, left. Yeah. Forward. Yeah. Not afraid of the horse. That means you try to low, pull back a little bit. Hey, hold the baby.
Too much to eat.
And don't be afraid.
How often do you see a
Move,
riding
McKellen.
horse with a Hawaiian shirt on? Not
A
very
lot.
often. Really?
Yeah. Shorts, tennis shoes, flip flops, or barefoot.
Wow. You're beautiful. Hit the red button.